There's a common old saying, what goes up must come down, and it seems like that time has arrived. The automotive market, once known for its soaring prices and high demand, is now facing a seismic shift. Car prices are on a visible descent. As reported by Kelley Blue Book, the average transaction prices have seen a remarkable 2.4% drop, equating to $1,212 since the beginning of the year. This represents the most substantial price decrease witnessed in the past decade. To put it into perspective, the average cost of a new car in the United States during August was $48,451. Meanwhile, Carfax data indicates that the average price for a used non-luxury car sits at approximately $20,000. This shift in pricing dynamics is causing a significant ripple in the automotive market. This is a silver lining for those looking to get a car. Recent data reveals that some segments are experiencing a significant 7.6% drop globally compared to the same time in the used car market. Used car prices, too, are down by an average of 3.8% globally. Join us as we dive deep into what could be described as the biggest car market crash of our lifetime, where prices are predicted to plummet by a staggering 45%. After a tumultuous last few years in the automotive marketplace, now we are seeing new vehicle pricing trends hold steady, explained Rebecca Rydzuski, a research manager at Cox Automotive. She further elaborated that dealers and automakers are feeling price pressure, and with high auto loan rates and growing inventory levels, new vehicle prices seem to have hit a ceiling, at least for now. These factors are also playing a role in driving down used car prices. According to Carfax, the slow manufacturing of new car parts, elevated prices for new vehicles, the ongoing microchip shortage, and higher interest rates are among the key contributors to this trend. Electric vehicles saw the most significant price decline in the past year, plummeting by more than 22%, closely followed by luxury car prices. The drop in electric vehicle prices was predominantly influenced by Tesla. In July, the company announced that reduced raw materials costs and government tax incentives were driving down the per-vehicle cost, as reported by Reuters. An analysis by Real Car Tips revealed substantial price cuts across several Tesla models. The Tesla Model S, for instance, now costs $82,490, reflecting a significant 31.5% reduction from its January price. The Tesla Model Y is currently priced at $47,853, a 27.5% decrease. Similarly, the Tesla Model X now sells for $84,990, marking a 26.6% price drop, while the Tesla Model 3 is available at $43,935, representing a 20.1% price reduction. According to a report from the Swiss investment bank UBS, the global automotive industry is poised to produce approximately 6% more cars in 2023 than it will manage to sell, resulting in an excess of 5 million vehicles awaiting buyers. This surplus will compel automakers to implement price reductions, especially during the latter half of the year, in a bid to attract customers. The ensuing price competition will have varying effects on different automobile market segments. Due to rapid innovation and fierce competition within the electric vehicle EV industry, the cost of electric cars has seen a substantial reduction, rendering them more budget-friendly and accessible to a broader audience. A recent report from Bloomberg NEF, a research organization specializing in clean energy, revealed a noteworthy 13% decline in the average price of battery electric vehicles, BEVs, in 2023, bringing it to approximately $33,000. BEVs exclusively rely on batteries for energy storage. The report further forecasted that by 2025, the average price of BEVs would align with that of internal combustion engine vehicles, which are also experiencing a significant drop in prices. The primary catalyst for this price decrease can be attributed to the reduced costs associated with batteries, constituting roughly a quarter of an EV's total expenditure. The report estimated a remarkable 20% decline in the average price of batteries in 2023, reaching $101 per kilowatt hour. Furthermore, it projected that by 2023, the average battery cost would plummet to $58 per kilowatt hour. a tipping point anticipated to usher in mass adoption of EVs. Among the segments in the automotive industry, family cars are expected to be most impacted by these price reductions due to their thinner profit margins and heightened competition, especially when compared to luxury vehicles. Conversely, luxury car manufacturers are anticipated to fare better in this price competition, primarily owing to their established customer loyalty and a broader range of distinctive products. Nevertheless, it's worth noting that even some luxury automakers have experienced significant price reductions, particularly within the electric vehicle segment, between January and July. UBS analysts anticipate that electric vehicle manufacturers will be among the first to slash their prices due to mounting competition from both emerging players and established automakers. Additionally, this pricing battle will extend to the traditional internal combustion engine segment, where family-oriented cars are expected to bear the brunt. Family cars typically operate on thinner profit margins and face fiercer competition than their luxury counterparts. Conversely, luxury automakers are anticipating to weather the storm more effectively, benefiting from a more loyal customer base and a broader range of distinctive products. Lincoln, known for delivering premium vehicles distinguished by their unique designs and features, has also witnessed a substantial decline in prices. Much like Land Rover, Lincoln grappled with constrained inventory levels and the shift in consumer preference towards sedans and hatchbacks. Consequently, Lincoln enacted price reductions amounting to $3,038, reflecting a 4.4% decrease from an average of $68,274 in January to $65,236 in July. Both Volvo and Mercedes-Benz have encountered similar pricing adjustments demanded by the prevailing market conditions. Volvo opted for a price reduction of $2,718, signifying a 4.5% decline from an average of $59,825 in January to $57,107 in July. Mercedes-Benz, renowned for its luxury offerings, executed price reductions amounting to $2,233, resulting in a 2.6% decrease, from an average of $84,874 in January to $82,641 in July. In September 2023, a comprehensive analysis of new and used car data by Real Car Tips and AutoWeek revealed several car models that have experienced substantial price declines. These price adjustments reflect the evolving dynamics of the automotive market. Apart from the cars previously mentioned, the prices of the following vehicles have also been reduced. In the used car category, the Nissan Leaf has seen a significant price reduction, with its current price standing at $22,500, reflecting a substantial 19% decrease compared to the previous year. Among the Land Rover models, the Range Rover and Range Rover Velar have both experienced substantial price decreases. The Range Rover's current price is $75,481, marking an 18.5% drop year over year in the used car market. Similarly, the Range Rover Velar has seen its price decrease to $46,269, showing a substantial 17.5% reduction year over year in the used car segment. Turning to the new car market, the Dodge Durango's price has been reduced to $36,899, representing a noteworthy 17.4% decrease since January. In the used car category, the Land Rover Discovery now has a price of $40,986, signifying a considerable 16.8% decrease year over year. Moving on to the new car segment, the Hyundai Ioniq 5's price has seen a reduction to $41,315, reflecting a significant 16.2% decrease since January. Similarly, the Jaguar E-Pace, a used car model, has experienced a 16.2% year-over-year price reduction, with the current price standing at $33,213. In the used car market, the BMW 5 Series PHEV's price has dropped to $33,600, marking a substantial 15.5% decrease year over year. In the new car category, the Dodge Charger's price now stands at $34,559, showing a noteworthy 15.4% decrease since January. The Kia EV6, a new car model, has decreased its price to $39,048, reflecting a significant 14.5% reduction since January. In the new car segment, the Dodge Challenger has reduced its price to $30,755, marking a 13.1% decrease since January. The Chrysler 300, also in the new car market, has experienced a price reduction to $34,020, reflecting a 12.8% decrease since January. Furthermore, the Ford Edge's price in the new car category has dropped to $41,955, signifying a substantial 12.5% decrease since January. In the new car segment, the Kia Niro EV has seen its price decrease to $37,542, marking a 12.1% reduction since January. Lastly, the Volvo XC90 Recharge's price in the new car market has been reduced to $69,532, reflecting an 11.9% decrease since January. In conclusion, the automotive market is currently undergoing significant changes, with prices fluctuating across various car models. Whether you're in the market for a new or used vehicle, staying informed about these price trends can help you make wise decisions and save you thousands of dollars. It's worth noting that these price reductions can vary based on location, supply and demand, and other factors. Therefore, conducting thorough research and consulting with dealerships in your area is crucial when purchasing a car. So, are you currently in the market for a new or used car? Have you encountered any lowering of prices after you bought your dream vehicle? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more innovative updates like this.